So I'm recording this session. Let us do the walk cycle. Now, so I'm going to repeat the same thing what I have done in the last class. Okay. So based on the poses, we'll do the walk cycle. These are the poses which we have. There are, like contact pose. This entire thing is a half walk cycle. Means our right leg is, is on the front and the left is on the back. So contact. So you can see the hip position also here. It goes in the contact, it is here. In the contact, it is same. Down, it is almost up to here. Pass little bit up. Pose, it's even more up. Okay. Then back to contact. Similarly, the head also. You can see a curve. We should have it like this. Okay. So contact pose, down pose, passing pose, up pose, again contact. Then again we need to repeat. So you have to make a note of the frames also in this. This is 1 and 25. The first contact is 1 and 25. The opposite contact is 13, frame number 13. This is 4 and 16. Down pose is 4 and 16. This comes around 7 and 19. 7 and 19. And this is 9 and 22. Okay, 9 and 22. So like that we can define. Okay, fine. I'll come over here. So the right leg. So first thing, select this down. So always try to keep the values limited so that it's easy to understand. So first pose, it's like this, contact pose. So I'll give -2 and this it's like this, let's say 2.1 and -39. Okay, I think this is fine. Then I'll come over here. This is -3.5. Okay, minus 0.35, 0.5. I think it's okay. So what we have to do in the frame number 1, select this, select this, select this, set key, and frame number 25. Okay, here it has to be 25. In frame number 25 also, set key. Set key. Okay. So frame 13, this will be key. Position is same. I'll see what is the value we have doing here. Contract Z is, translate Z is -2. Okay. And this is 239. Okay, I'll select this. This is 2.1 and 39, -39. Set key. And here the other one 0, -2. Set key. This set key. So how do you finalize this? Just come over here in the side view. Make sure 1 and 125 same, 1 and 13. The legs are only changing. You can see the legs are changing here. Position, right leg, left leg. Okay. So what happens is you're getting an output like this. Okay. Understood up to here?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this frame, this poses, I did animation for only this 3 curve. One is main body control, the leg controller, The contact is 1, frame number 1, the contact. The same values are there in 25 also. In 13, it is opposite. I just change the values. Now I'll come to 4. So understand what is that. 4 is a down post. Okay. So for the down post, I move this guy a little bit front and down, and this is 0, 0. Translate Z2. Let it be 2. Set key. And this is minus 0.6 or minus 0.7, minus 0.7 and 0.85 or 0.9. It's okay. Then this one, this leg is in this way. It's okay. $54, and this is 0, 0, 1.2 or 1, 0, minus 2.5. It's okay. Minus 2.5 and 54. So your set key, this one set key, this one set key. So first thing here, what value I have given for this, I want the same value. See here, observe here. On the same value in 4, what value I have given? Same value for the hip in 16. How do I do that? Select this, same value I want. Middle click here. Anyhow, the values, see, I'm just copying the value now. Select this body controller, cog. In 4, what value is there? I want the same value in 16. Middle click on 4, drag and drop on 16, and S for set key. So 4, 16. Hip is on the same position. Now select this, translate Z is 2, 16. Select this, translate Z is 2. Remaining is 0. Simple. 16. Now I'll come here. Minus 2.5, 54. Toe lift is 54. Translate Z minus 2.5. And come over here. Translate Z minus 2.5. And remaining is, I think, toe lift is 54. Simple, right? So how do you check now? Inside view. 16 and 4. Both should be same, but legs are different. Okay, I think it's done. Now observe. Almost you're getting now. Just with contact and down post, you get a basic level of animation. So still we need to add 2 more posts. One is, okay, can you tell me which are the 2 more posts which we need to add? After down post, which is the next post? Guys, it is passing position. Passing position. The character will be standing on one leg, so the body weight will be moving on one side. Then the up pose. Okay, you have to remember all this. So is this complicated or you are able to understand?
We understand, sir, when you're doing it here, but when we do it alone, it's very difficult.
Okay, see, just only 3 curve. I'm changing values and I'm doing set key, and very clearly I'm giving the value, some values also here, and you have to do try the animation for the same character. It looks really good. Okay, so try one. If you try, then only you'll understand. Okay, fine. Now it's a passing position. Basically, passing position. This has to be like this. The character should be standing on this leg, like this. So I make it 0. Z is 0.8. Set key. Okay. Same value on 19. Set key. Same value on 19. Okay. Now this leg. Where it is? 4, 7. So translate Z 1. Okay. So 19. This is 1. Set key. Let me see how does this looks. Okay, the leg has to be like this. So I'll come to 7. This one, $38, 1.6 minus 1.3. Set key. 1.6 minus 1.3, 38. Toe lift 0. I don't want toe lift. Minus 0.5, 80, 1.5. Set key. So it is 1.5 minus 0.5. That will be minus 0.5 and 80. So rotate Z is 80 minus 0.5, 1.6. Set key. So same values here. What I'm giving for the value, I'm just for this leg. Let's say, for example, in frame 7, this leg, what value is there? Same value I'm giving in the on 19th for this leg, like that. So check whether it is same or not. I think there is a slight position change. Let's say this is 1.5, right? Okay. So now here 1.6 is there. I make 1.5. Now it is same. Perfect. Okay. So see. Okay, great. Next is passing position. Passing position comes on. I can take it on 9 or 10. Let it be 10, no problem. 10 and 22. Okay. 10. Passing position, I'll just go. Passing position is like this and like this. It's okay. Yeah. Passing position, I'll just take this. Toe lift. Okay, let's say toe lift or ball roll is the okay, toe lift. Okay, toe lift 15, and I just move him a bit. It's minus 1.2 and set key. And this one, 0.8 0.7, 1.2, 20, set key. Great. And this one, it should be height. Point 1, 0.6, 0.7, set key. Whatever is there on for the hip, same I'm gonna give for 22 as well. Drag and drop, set key. Middle click, drag and drop, set key. Okay. So now let's do for this leg. Select this. 1 minus 1.2 and 15, right? So come over here. No, 10 I have to come. 10 is minus 1.2 and 15. I'll come to 22. This is minus 1.2 and 15. Set key. And this one is 0.7, 1.2, 20. I'll come over here. 0.7, 1.2, and 20. I'll try to avoid decimals, 0.785 or something like 0.1285. Just leave that. Have a number which you can remember. So then I'll come to side view. I need to check whether it is matching or not. Frame number 22 and 10. Okay, values are perfect. Great. Okay. Done. Any doubts up to here?
No, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
in fourth semester, since it's going to be a more advanced level than this and get harder for us, are you coming down anytime soon or not?
Since here situation is really bad, there are a lot of travel restrictions for another, I think, 2 to 3 months. So might be after that. So
okay.
what I'll do, let's say for example, if you have, I'll try to take more sessions here so that you understand. I can repeat sessions more and more. Okay. Until then.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, this is what we have created. So the next is, of the hand part. I want you to do up to here. I don't want to take more. So you guys try to achieve the final output up to here. Then I'll go for hand part. For the male and female and all, like here, we have a different set of animations. Like the body movement, like this, it will be there. For this, it's like this. Okay. Let's say, I'll just show you how does it work. It's like this. 12. Set key. Same thing for 25, set key. 13, it is minus 12. Minus 12. Set key. Okay. Now see what happens. Observe. There's a body movement like this. Right. Then when normally when the hip is like this, then this part okay, I give -5 or 5, 5. give -5, 5, set key. At 25 it is same. At 13 it is -5, -5, set key. So you know the body and head movement is also there. Earlier this was not there, now it is there. It looks good. Then I select this, I just bring it down like this. When this leg is there, let the hand comes front and rotate like this, like this. This is for the clavicle, -20. So I'm just giving some values. So frame 13, I do set key. Here, set key. Also set key. Frame 1. Set key. Just you have to observe and give the pose only. Normally, how will be the pose? Like that, you have to just we should observe the walk cycle. How does it looks, and just give the pose. So what I do, I'm for this and this same drag to 25. I'm giving pose. There is some restrictions or limitation here. That's what in the middle, like some middle frame we need to add. Like this, if we have to give some changes, then it will be. And all we need to work. Let's see. Okay. Hand part and all we need to work on it. Let's do. So I want you to focus only on the leg part and just do the leg animation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hand part we'll do in the next class. Hand and the body movements and all we'll do in the next class. Okay. So let me know if you have any doubts. And here this icon is there, a man running one icon character. So make sure select this, and frame rate has to be 24 FPS. Then only it will be, it will run faster, means properly. If not, it's like this. No, it doesn't look good. Okay. Okay, try this. So share the output by tomorrow. Means at least play blast. Okay, just a play blast.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let me know if you have any doubts, or we'll close.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye. Have a good day and good weekend.
Bye, sir. You too.
Yeah. Bye.
Mhm.